today's video, we're going to learn about the freshwater ecosystems. We already established that the estuaries are very important and complex and rich ecosystems. Now, for a freshwater ecosystem, we have many criteria that makes the freshwater ecosystems one of the most successful ecosystems and richest ecosystems. So let's start. Okay, so freshwater ecosystems include moving and standing water. That means the rivers and the lakes. For example, the lakes are standing freshwater, the rivers are moving freshwater. Watershed. What is watershed? Watershed is the region of land that drains into a body of water. So, the watershed, it's a specific region inland, drains into a body of water. Ecosystems may be different along a river's course. So, as long as the river goes, the ecosystems changes. For example, a short river contain like most probably only one ecosystem, but long running rivers like the Nile has many different ecosystems. Okay, so this is a perfect example of long-running rivers, and this is a watershed. Now, wetlands are among the most productive ecosystems. Wetlands, we can divide wetlands into many types. Provide a home for many species, filter dirty water, renew underground water supply. This is all what wetlands does. Now, some animals have adaptations suited to the freshwater they inhabit. For examples, ponds and lakes. Freshwater bodies are divided into 3 zones. Now, littoral zone, limnetic zone, benthic zone. So, like the ocean, if you remember, divided into many regions, many zones. The freshwater bodies also divided into 3 zones: littoral zone, limnetic zone, benthic zone. So, if you want to see these zones on this body of water, I'll say the littoral zone is here, limnetic zone is here, benthic zone is in the deep. Now, all lakes turn over periodically. Turnover happens due to a change in density of the water. In both autumn and spring, surface water flows downwards and bottom water flows upwards. So it changes. Even the species between these two areas changes and differs. Now, the upwelling brings up nutrients. So when the water flows from the bottom to upward and from upward to downward, then new nutrients will be changing between the downside and the upside, like this. So if there are any nutrients down of the lake, it will go up upside, and the upside nutrients will go downside. That's why it's important in exchanging nutrients. Now, what I need you to remember, the most important thing is here, that the watersheds, the wetlands If you want to give an examples of wetlands, you can think about ponds and bogs. Yeah, these are type of wetlands. So what I need you to do is give me an examples of wetlands ecosystems. We'll discuss it in the live sessions, and I want you to show me exactly littoral zone, what kind of species we'll find in littoral zone, limnetic zone, benthic zone. You can depend on your previous knowledge of type of the zones from the ocean. So I need you to do this research, and we will discuss it in the live session. That's it for today's session. Thank you very much. Good day.